On today's episode of Extreme Childhood, what we have here is a 1984 Casablanca Delta in charcoal black. Here are the blades. And here's the top of the fan. It has an Asherson K55 type motor in it. Arcless pull chain. There's the tag. So, put it on low real quick so I tell my story. So, in 2013 or so, my grandma lived in a house in Upper Cleveland, Ohio. And she moved to there around the time I was born, so she lived there for a few years. And she had this exact fan in her living room on about a 20, maybe 15-foot ceiling. And it was on probably a 1-foot down rod. And it was really high up there, but there's a speed control, so I remember playing with the fan. When I was little, my grandma would get super mad with me messing with it. And then in 2015 or 2014, she moved out of that house, and we went there one last time just to get some things. And I looked through the window and I see the fan's gone. And ever since then, ever since that fan got removed, I've been looking for my exact one ever since. And I finally found one this past Saturday at the meet. So I'm very happy to have this fan. I turn up the medium. There's an arcless pull chain in it. This is a very temporary testing spot. I just hung it up just to make a quick video. It's gonna come right back down. But it works. And very, very, very happy to have this fan. And let's put it up on high. Very good air mover, as to be expected. Bearings are silent. It's a very fast little fan too. Click it off. So there you have it, folks. A 1984 Casablanca Delta ceiling fan. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys later.